Hi folks, it's me, Martin Lackey, Lions Realty and Investments, your easy bake way of living expert. And in this video, I'm going to show you 15 apps that I use, or 15 apps that you can use as an investor so that you can start saving for a home tomorrow. So we got Yahoo Finance, we got Robinhood. Now here's Robinhood is a really popular app right now because I hear they give one free stock. So if you like take advantage of that, invite your friends because you also get extra points for inviting your friends, kind of like an affiliate marketing type of thing. So don't be scared to invite your friends. So all the people I done invited on all these apps and I ain't got my cash yet. Don't think I don't know who it is. Don't think I don't know. But y'all gonna need to take me to lunch one of these days. So here's a good app to learn. It's just this. We got Stash. We got Stash Invest. We got Stockpile. I don't know if you guys can all see that, but we got Stockpile. We got Acorns. And we got M1 Finance. M1 Finance. I've been trying some of these different apps. I personally like some of these, so I give you a couple of my favorites right quick. So that's one of my favorites. I like that. I got that, and that. So these are, and I got TD Ameritrade. So these are a few of the different apps so the ones in the red, these are apps that I'm practicing and trying right now. Wait, I'm missing one. Right here, Coinbase. Oh, I also got, I'm gonna give you a bonus one, right? So here's a bonus one for some of my investors. It's called the Tulsa Real Estate Fund. The Tulsa Real Estate Fund. Now, the Tulsa Real Estate Fund is the first actually black traded company focused on real estate that we have. I got me a few shares, about $500 worth of shares. It does take about $500 to invest. It does have, a low rate, over 3%, I believe. So again, do your research. You might like it, you might not. I personally like to buy stuff that black folks own. So I figure if I can buy into Apple or if I can buy into Facebook or something like that or Jordan, I can definitely invest in the Tulsa Real Estate Fund. So again, that's an extra bonus clip for y'all. So that's now 16 apps. So I didn't give y'all 15, I gave y'all 16 apps, 16 ways that you can come up with your down payment for your home. That's really simple and really easy. The only way we're gonna ever change the world is if we actually come together and own some things together. Now these are some of these apps you can put your kids on. So make sure you get your kids involved in the process as early as possible. I believe that you start your kids off at 10 to 12, get them invested. My daughters I get paid them for everything. So make sure your kids are invested in what's going on and what you're doing. Don't let them just see all the good. Let them see the bad too. Start some stuff with your kids and let them get the process started. Because even if you don't, you never know what they're going to catch up to or they're going to catch on to. And they might just change the family legacy or take back your family's name without you even knowing. I know a lot of people come to me asking me how can they start saving for a home or, how can they get down payment assistance programs and different programs. So here's something that you can do because sometimes that 3.5 you still got to come up with $7,000 to $8,000 and it might take you a year or two or 2, 3 years or 5 years, I don't know, but however long it takes for you to own your own home or own your own business, here are some ways that you can actually do it and you can start today. So again, thank you guys for coming. Thank you for watching my how-to. 15 apps that you can use to start investing. Please make sure you comment and like our page. Subscribe to our channel. Hopefully we'll be able to bring you some more content, bring some more stuff more frequently. If I can ever learn how to edit videos, we'll be able to do this. But again, hopefully we'll be able to do this for you on a regular. So try these apps. I guarantee you'll love a few of them. give us a call. Our links are below. Martin Lackey Buys Houses at Instagram. You can find us at Facebook at Martin Lackey Senior. You can find us at Lions Realty and Investments. You can find us at Lions Consulting. You can find us on YouTube with Martin Lackey Senior. But just make sure you follow us. Make sure you click on and find out some of the stuff that we're doing, because we're going to have some awesome stuff, and we're going to take our turn and learn to live the easy bake life together. I didn't learn how to live the easy bake life, so all it's going to take me to do is just have some patience. So I'm bringing that the easy bake life to you. If you and your family need a consult, or would like me to come to your home and show you some of these steps or show you some things, please feel free to give us a call. When we can show up to your house. We do one free consult, so don't be scared to get that one free phone call. And what's it gonna hurt? Thank you guys for coming. God bless. Good night.